Introducing the Everest Jennings Deluxe Aluminum Transport Chair. Its compact size and lighter weight allow a companion to lift and store the chair with ease. Aluminum frame and stylish color options of black and Blue Celeste. The frame design allows a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, evenly distributed. Handled mounted attendant locks with cable for better control and access by companion. 12-inch flat-free rear wheels with 8-inch swivel front casters for better hold and durability. Black padded nylon upholstery is flame retardant with a practical fold-down back. Fixed full-length padded arms provide user comfort. Tool-free adjustable detachable swing-away footrests with composite footplates. Includes standard carry straps on seat. One positioning belt, 42 inches long, and 3-inch webbing black nylon leg strap with adjustable loops to slide over installed footrests. Available in 19-inch seat width with black nylon upholstery. Weighs 21.38 pounds without front rigging, which makes it easy to fold and transport when not in use. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work, created to keep you independent and on the go. For more information, you can go to www.gramfield.com.